May I now invite Professor Wang Yuk-shan, the Chair of the Research Grants Council, to give us an opening remarks. Professor Wang, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, colleagues. I think it's my pleasure to welcome you all at this event, and I'd like to thank you for taking your precious time with us this evening. As we all know, RGC, the mission of RGC is to provide research support, including funding, and also to select grants, for higher education institutions in Hong Kong. We start initially about 30 years ago. It's mainly for UGC universities. But about 9 years ago, we have extended to other self-financed institutions, including all of you. So, we are running 3 schemes, namely the IDS, Institutional Development Scheme, the IIDS, Inter-Institutional Development Scheme, and also the FDS, which is for faculty member, Faculty Development Scheme. And since inception of this exercise, we have given out funding of an amount of $590 million altogether, with a total number of 534 projects so far. In the last 2 rounds, we have got a lot of good projects coming in. And we know the pandemic has been impacting our life in many ways, but our support to self-financed sectors is not affected. We welcome suggestions for new initiatives from the sector, and the new 9th round of the exercise has just been taken off. Now, we hope we'll continue to support your research, and I wish you will be doing better, in the coming round. Well, in order to improve your grant applications, and we have invited 3 experts today to share with you on their views and their experience on how to prepare good research proposals. And we hope this will be useful to all of you. Now, they are Professor Louis Cheng of Hang Seng University and Dr. Veronica Mack of Hong Kong Xi'an University, and also Professor Xiu Wen Chi of Caritas Institute of Higher Education. So I look forward to listening to their insightful presentation. Also, I'd like to thank Professor Helen Meng, who is sitting at the right myself, from Chinese University, who is the chairman of the assessment panel of the self-finance sector. And I also like to thank the 5 subject conveners who are here today for the Q&A session. They are Professor Chen Chi-ting, Professor George Huang, Professor Julie Lee, and Professor Kenneth Sun, and Professor Chris Wong. So may I take this opportunity to thank all the speakers for sharing their valuable experience, and also thanks to Professor Meng and the subject conveners for their contribution to this session. So I hope this exercise is going to be useful. Thank you.